Hey Lars. Well, we're a bit limited on footage this week, so forgive us for that. In Shanghai, where there are travel restrictions in place, I can't really show you anything. But last week we did get footage to show just how close the new CATL factory is to Giga Shanghai. Yeah, you can see it on the horizon. It's right there. In Berlin, also no new footage on the outside because of the big event on the inside. Deliveries have begun. This factory is operational. In Texas, we actually have great footage. At the south end, where the superchargers were being put in last week, those are now fully operational. Along the west side, we see streetlights have been put in, and on the roof, more solar, shaping out the S in Tesla nicely. Along the west side, concrete has been poured for the steps, for the main entrance, and at the north end of the building, along Tesla Road, the grass has been torn out for regrading, and they'll be putting that landscaping back together just in time for GigaFest on April 7th. And if you're going to be in Texas on April 7th, we have a huge meet and greet with a bunch of Tesla YouTubers. It's going to be a lot of fun. It'll be held at Southeast Metro Park in Del Valley, just a few miles from Giga Texas. If you can join us, we'd love to see you. Maybe RSVP if we get a link on there. Maybe we do. That'd be great, so we know how much pizza to bring for this free event. Back to you, Lars.